Okay, so this is the video for 2017 Audi A4 to set up the setting on the Android systems, and also check the resolution for the original screen show on original Audi system show on the Android screen. So first, when you have the Android system pop up, you can go to the main menu, go to car info, select the car info to make sure it shows the factory systems. If the resolution is not that good, you can go to the Android side, go to the setting, scroll down, this is the password, enter. So the default setup will be USB host check, Z-Link check, Google Apps check, Bluetooth check, equalizer check, default last mode, and you have option for that enable to OEM screen to Android screen when it boot up. DVR close. Bluetooth, you have to select Android Bluetooth. Amplifier, select OEM amplifier. 360 camera, you don't need to change that. Automatic brightness with lamp control, so when the headlight is on, the dim will go down, the brightness will go down. When the headlight is off, the brightness will go up. Unit selection is for kilometers. If you want to be changed to miles, then you still can do it, which is imperial unit. If you want to add camera, then you select automatic detections for the camera. And front view mirror setting, please make sure it's unchecked. Vehicle, make sure the car without OEM screen is unchecked. Aux switching mode, menu. Aux automatic switching, select others. Type, knob type, keep it on A. Driver seat left. Number of door, those are the default setup. The rest of the setting, please follow the video to keep it as a default. Car display, which is to adjust the resolution for the Audi system to show on the Android screen. For the A4, usually we use AM4L. If the resolution is not that good, then you can change to the next one to double check that. For the original screen come with 8.2, then you will need to select number 21, leave it for 10 seconds, and after that go to profile import, restart. And remember to do the dip switch beside the power plug at the back of the Android screen. Make it change to dip number 1, facing to number 1. If you have 6.2, then you make the dip switch facing to on. The next one will be the CAN protocol. For this car will be set it on AM4L. Mic gain, we usually leave on 12. If you want to add external microphone, you can adjust the mic gain a little bit lower to 8 or 10 and check the level that you want. Reverse exit time, you don't need to change that. UI configuration, you can change on different theme. We have 3 options at the moment. Profile import, that's the restart locations. Boot logo, you also can import the default logo to the systems, but you cannot do the customized logo. After that, then we go back to the original. When we go back to the original, we need to use the factory knob to operate the functions. So first you need to go to media, select media on the factory control panel and switch to aux. If you cannot switch to aux, then you will need to check right here to scroll it to go to aux. Once you select external audio player, select it and touch the screen, go to music and check the sound. If you want to add aftermarket backup camera, you go to setting, go to systems, scroll down, camera selections. Once you go to camera selections, you select aftermarket. The unit will give power to the backup camera by connect to the camera 12 volt on the red wire from the Android power harness. It will be located behind the power plug that you plug to the back of the Android screen. The 360 detect purple wire, it will use for the car. For some of the model come with manual transmissions. That will be another connection type. You will need to ask us for further information. For the OEM camera, if you have factory OEM camera, then you will need to select factory OEM camera. If you don't want to add any camera and you don't have factory camera on your vehicle at the moment, then you can select 360 camera. Once you go on reverse, the Android screen won't change. It will stay on the Android main menu or the function that you have on the Android systems. You also can change the unit selections from kilometers to miles, and the temperature that you also have option for Celsius or Fahrenheit. If you want to go on reverse and still want to hear the music, so make sure this one mute while on reverse, turn off. Parking light, parking distance control will be the guide light and the parking sensor show on the screen. But for the parking sensor, if you have original sensor show on the original system, then the Android system will show. Otherwise, it will not show on the Android system when you're on reverse. Disable video in motions. This one is for when you're driving, you want to watch video. But if you don't want to watch video while you're driving, so you need to turn this on. This will be the on position. This will be the off positions. Mirror reverse camera, please have this turned off. And for further information that we will need for troubleshoot, we will ask you to go to the system info and send us the picture for this system versions. And the unit will also operate by the factory knob. When you turn it, it will select the icon. And the dashboard file manager. File manager basically is same as my computer as a PC. So once you go in, you can select any USB stick that you plug in as a second device. So select the second device, you can do copy paste. To do copy paste, you can press and hold the folder and select copy, cut, delete, rename, and more. If you don't want it, just cancel it, then press the back button on top and go back. If you have multiple apps open, then you can select the double window on the right top corner, slide up to close it. If you want to do split screen, then touch the icon on top and split left, and then the other one select here. And the next one, you want to go to the apps. This is the apps for the CarPlay. So the CarPlay will show you on the video connections. On our next video, you can ask us for more information for the connections. And also you can download the apps from the Google Play Store by connect the unit to Wi-Fi, but you cannot have wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto running on the unit and connect the Wi-Fi hotspot from your phone to the Android system. It only can do one at a time. So it means it's either wireless CarPlay or Wi-Fi hotspot from your phone to the Android systems. So that's all you need to do. If you have any other question, you can send us an email to tech@4x4Shop.ca. Thank you and have a good day.